Hi, my name is Bruce Whitfield. This is ECN 423, Section 1, Homework 8, Problem 14.9.2. This is the waveform for my test bench for the modified traffic controller. At the first rising edge, with reset disabled, car in east-west disabled, and no pedestrian detected, current state is state 0, and the next state is state 0, with the traffic light output being 21, which stands for 100001, which means green, north, south, red, east, west. At the next rising edge, you've got everything is like it was in the first rising edge, with clock enabled, reset disabled, no pedestrian, no car detecting east-west, but a pedestrian is detected. It is in state 1, so the next state is it's in state 0, so the next state is state 0, and the output remains the same at 21. And then at the next rising edge, cars detecting east-west and a pedestrian is detected. It will stay in state 0 because of the pedestrian being detected. And then in the next state, and the next rising edge, there is no pedestrian detected, and car is detecting east-west, and so the next state is state 1. And then at the next rising edge, it will be at state 1, and there's still car detecting east-west. There is no pedestrian detected, and reset is disabled. It is in state 1, the next state is state 2, and the output is 11. It's 11, which stands for 010001, which means yellow, north, south, red, east, west. And at the next rising edge, clock is enabled, reset's disabled, car in east-west is detected, and there's no pedestrian detected. It's in state 2, and next state will be state 2. And because the car is detecting east-west with no pedestrian detected north-south, so the output is 0C, which stands for 001100, and that stands for red, north-south, green, east-west. At the next rising edge, right here, no car detecting the east-west, no pedestrian detected, and it is in state 2, and the next state will be state 3, and it still has the same output as 0C. And the next rising edge, clock is enabled, and there's no pedestrian detected north-south, no car detected east-west. It's in state 3, and the next state is state 0, with an output of 0A, which stands for 001010, which means red, north, south, yellow, east, west. And at the next rising edge, clock is enabled, reset's disabled, cars detecting east-west, no pedestrian detected. It's in state 0, next state will be state 1, and the output is 21, which is green, north, south, red, east, west. And at the next state, it is going to the next rising edge. It is going to be in state 1, and cars detecting the east-west direction, and the reset is disabled. The next state will be state 2 with an output of 11, which is 010001, which is yellow, north, south, red, east, west, and that is it for my my simulation. Thank you.